AI in real estate.
Artificial intelligence.
AI.
AI.
How do you feel about having ChatGPT help you sell your home?
Well, a man from South Florida did that, and he says it saved him tens of thousands of dollars.
AI, and it is going to change every industry.
All right, we get it. AI is important, now we got to start using it. The problem is most videos about AI and real estate are way too basic. Cool, ChatGPT can write me a cold call script, but how does that help me close more deals? A deeper dive into AI forces you to look through technical coding videos that aren't even applicable to real estate. This video is for the real estate investors and wholesalers who are too busy cold calling, text blasting, and analyzing deals, who recognize the importance of AI, but don't want to get a PhD in computer science before you can actually start using it to do something in your business. In this video, I'm going to break it down into 3 basic levels. Level 1, ChatGPT for real estate investing. Level 2, AI tools for real estate investing. And level 3, AI agents for real estate investing. And at the end, I'll show you our AI agent that literally finds deals, underwrites them, sends offers out all by itself. So let's get into it. Starting with level 1, ChatGPT for real estate. This is where most people begin. You open ChatGPT, type in a prompt, and ask it to help with something. Write me a cold call script for wholesaling real estate. Or draft me a purchase and sale agreement for a property in Dallas, Texas. Can it generate a cold call script? Yes, but you still have to call the seller. Can it generate a purchase and sales agreement? Yes, but you still have to find a seller who's willing to sign it. ChatGPT is passive. It waits for you. It does not wake up in the morning, pull 300 properties, underwrite them, decide which ones are worth sending an offer out. It only responds after you give it something. If I ask ChatGPT, what should I offer on this property? It is going to give me an answer, but it's only going to be an answer as good as the context I give it. For an accurate answer, it needs comps, local material costs, images of the property, information like, is this a flip or a rental? Are you wholesaling it? How much is the assignment fee? That is a limitation of basic ChatGPT. It can reason through information that you provide. It does not automatically have your deal flow. It does not know your CRM. It does not know your lender terms. It does not know your dispo buyers. So level 1 is helpful, but limited. It is basically, you do the work, you bring ChatGPT the information. ChatGPT helps you write, summarize, and think through a problem. That's not bad, but it is not where the real leverage is. Level 2, AI tools for real estate investing. This is where things start to become useful. Instead of just using ChatGPT as a blank text box, you start using AI inside tools. These tools are built for your real estate workflows. Or let's say you want to create a finance calculator that helps you move through deals quicker. After a couple minutes, ChatGPT generates the tool, and now you can continuously use that tool for all of your creative finance deals. An even more advanced version of this is a project that I've been working on for me to underwrite deals quicker. This tool does what the ChatGPT "what should I offer" prompt can't do. Instead of giving vague ranges or just guessing on certain things, it goes and gets all of the context it needs before it starts underwriting the property. For example, after entering the property address, it'll ask a user for the information it needs, like whether you have images or you want to flip or rent, etc. Then it goes and pulls comps, find local material costs, and everything else it needs to get accurate numbers. Then it will calculate ARV, estimated rehab, and your specific max allowable offer. When it's done, I have everything I need right in front of me so I can double check comps and verify the numbers myself. This is a big jump from just a ChatGPT prompt, because now the AI is not just writing a message. This matters because real estate investors do not need clever prompts. We need decisions. What's the ARV? What's the estimated rehab? What is the max allowable offer? Is this property even worth my time? A good AI tool helps you make these decisions faster. But here is the key difference. Most AI tools, even the one that I built, still require you for the input. You open the tool, you enter the address, you answer questions, you click run, you review the output. You decide what happens next. That is powerful, but it is still not an AI agent. Because level 3 is where AI stops being just a tool and it starts doing the work for you. Level 3, AI agents for real estate investing. This is where most people get confused. An AI agent is not ChatGPT, it is not an underwriting calculator, and it is not an automated follow-up sequence. An AI agent is a system that can receive a goal, reason through what needs to happen, use tools, take action, observe the result, and decide the next step. In real estate acquisitions, the goal might be, pull on-market properties from a list, underwrite them, calculate an offer, and send the offer to the listing agent via text and email. It's doing the work for you. Now, to be clear, this does not mean AI should be buying houses for you. The point is to automate the first pass. The agent will handle the repetitive work, human would handle the judgment. But the idea is to have the AI agent handle the 90% of leads that will never amount to a deal, so that we can focus on the 10% that are yeses, maybes, I'd like to hear more. That is the model that actually makes sense. That is what we are building with Dottid AI. We are building the tools and AI agents that will help investors dominate their market. And if you want to see more videos on how AI can actually be used in real estate, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications. And if you want to check out the AI Underwriter tool I mentioned before, it's at dottidai.com.